Well, you folks got to see it when I got to see it. This is the unboxing. I told you we were going to have some new things on the channel. And what we have here is a Bugs 16 Pro drone. And several channels out there have kind of influenced me to get one of these, because it seems to me like it enhanced their videos. And I want to try to enhance my videos. This may be an expensive crash for me. I don't know, because I'm not very good at video games and stuff like that. But now let me show you what it comes with. This one came with 2 batteries. One battery's already on the drone. And let me open this up for you and show you how this works. These arms just fold out. And there's your drone. Has a 3 gimbal axis camera right here. Let me see if I can get this cover off of here. Well, oh, they got it taped. That would tell you why it wouldn't come off. I guess I should have ought to read the instructions first. But it has a 3 gimbal axis camera. This one, well, you can see that it's real stable. The drone itself actually has a stabilization in it. And looks like it comes with a charging cord for your batteries. Has 2. This one came with 2 batteries. I wanted an extra battery, so it came with 2 batteries. The flight time on these are about 28 minutes, they say. So I figure in layman's terms, that means about 15 or 20 minutes. So it did come with some extra blades we have here. And the battery just slides on and plugs in here on the back. Got to take the little foam off of it first. But it is GPS controlled. What does that mean? Well, that means it has these fly by GPS. And it has a home switch on the controller, and here's the controller. If you're flying and the battery starts getting low, it automatically comes back to home. So I like that feature of it. It's got like an automatic takeoff. You can see on the end here it has a GPS. You can run it with the GPS or run it without. It has sensors on the bottom here that let the drone know when it's getting close to the ground, and that way it doesn't crash into the ground. Of course, it comes with all the manuals and some stickers and things like that. And so there you go. It's like I say, I'm not very good at video games, but we'll see. And when I fly it, I'll hook you up. But it does have you can record to your phone. It has a SIMS card right here where you can put your SIMS card in and record direct to the card. And has a lot of little features on it like that. But for the money, I did a lot of research on these, and I've been looking at them for 2 or 3 months. I guess I'd have to say the one that really sold me on it was Annette up at the Cow Emporium up in Saskatchewan. Up where they talk funny. She'll get that. She she was taking these videos of the sunsets and the sunrises up there, and it was just with her drone, and it was spectacular. And I really enjoyed that, and that's kind of what sold me. That's kind of what pushed me over the edge on getting this thing. So I bought it to enhance the channel, and we'll see what it does. But I'm excited about it, and I hope you are too. But this controller has well, has these antennas on it, but it also has this little rack here that you pull up and you mount your cell phone in here, and you can fly this by your cell phone, and that's probably what I'll do. They have an app, but I think you got to have some batteries. Not sure, don't remember. But anyway, that's a little controller for it, and we'll get it out. But anyway, wanted to do a short video on the unboxing of the Bugs 16 Pro. I actually got the recommendation from I believe it's the Drone Doctor. He's in Canada as well. No, it wasn't. It was Captain Drone. And I watched some of his videos. I actually watched one on this, and I was pretty impressed with it and the quality of the video and stuff that he got out of it. So I shot him a message, and he actually helped me, recommended this one to me for a starter. Now, and this is just a beginner for me, so, but not a bad price. I think it was $235, so we'll see how it goes. It might be a $235 big crash. Who knows? But anyway, we're gonna try to enhance the channel a little bit, and we'll take you along. I'm not gonna fly it today. I've got some other stuff to do, and so just wanted to let you know what was going on. This is one of the enhancements that I kind of announced to the channel, and I want to appreciate all y'all for watching. It is 2022 now, so I say let's get after it. Appreciate you watching. Thanks for coming by. See you next go around.